And so we have this integral, that is integral x log x base e to integrate. And of course, this is just a polynomial multiplying a natural log. So how are you going to be integrating that? That's what we are going to be doing in this video. So we are just going to be using integration by part to actually evaluate this. And so don't forget that the formula for integration by part is really integral u dv is actually equal to u v minus integral v du. So this is the formula we are going to be using to evaluate this function right here. And then to proceed, we just set our u to be equal to log e x, okay, and then we set our dv to be equal to x dx. And of course, if you start getting value at any point in this video, you can actually do well to subscribe to our channel and also like this video, turn on the notification icon so you will always get notified each time we release new content. So having said that, we are going to proceed. So if we differentiate u with respect to x, what we are going to be having is 1 over x. And of course, if we integrate this function to also get our v, we see that our v will be equal to x raised to power 2 divided by 2. So having gotten our v, having gotten our du, we are now going to substitute the values of u dv and also v du in this formula so that we begin to evaluate the integral. So moving further, we have that our integral x log x base e dx will now be equal to uv. Our u is log x base e times our v is now x squared divided by 2, okay, and then minus integral v is x squared divided by 2 multiplied by du. Our du is actually 1 over x, okay, so we have the x. So evaluating this, what we are going to be having is so if I bring this one to this, I have x squared over 2 log x base e minus, I want to use cancel here, and then I'll cancel 1x here, so I'm left with 1x right here. And then of course I will also want to factorize the 1 over 2 out, and then I'm having integral x dx right here. Okay, so moving further, I am going to be having that our x squared over 2 log x base e minus 1 over 2. So I cannot go ahead and integrate this function here, and if I integrate that, what I'm going to be having is x squared divided by 2. Okay, very important. Okay, now of course I'm also going to be having my constant of integration. So if you see, of course 1 over 2 is also multiplying that answer for integral. So you can see that x raised to power 2 divided by 2 is actually common in both sides. So what I'm going to do is just to factorize. So if I do that, I'll factorize x squared divided by 2, and then I'm going to be having log s base e minus 1 over 2 to be my answer. And of course I will also attach my constant of integration. So that is gonna be our final answer for this, except if you actually want to simplify further, but I guess that is how far we can actually go for this question. So if you have understood it, make sure you give this video a thumb up, subscribe to our channel for more updates, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.